Hello everybody, myself B. Suhas and I am from ITB and my topic is containerization and the PaaS cloud. HE cloud relies on virtualization techniques to achieve elasticity of large scale shared resources. Virtual machines have been the backbone of the infrastructure layer, providing virtualized operating systems. Containers are a similar, more lightweight virtualization concept that is less resource and time consuming. They have been suggested as a solution for more interoperable application packaging in the cloud. Virtualization and the need for containerization. Historically, virtualization technologies have developed out of the need for scheduling process as manageable container units. Processes and resources in questions are the file systems, memory, network, and system info. Virtual machines as the core virtualization construct of cloud have been improved successively by addressing scheduling, packaging, and resource access problems. VM instances as guests use isolated large files on their host to store their entire file system and run typically a single large process on the host. While security concerns are largely addressed through isolation, a number of limitations remain. It needs full guest OS images for each VM in addition to the binaries and libraries necessary for the applications. A space concern that translates into RAM and disk storage requirements and is slow on startup. Containerization in PaaS clouds. When VMs are ultimately the medium to provision PaaS platform, that is PaaS clouds and the PaaS platform and application components at the infrastructure layer, containers appear as a more suitable technology for application packaging and management in PaaS cloud. PaaS features. PaaS generally provides mechanism for deploying applications, designing applications from the cloud, pushing applications to their development environment, using services, migrating database, that is shifting from one place to another or transforming from one place to another, mapping custom domains, IED plugins, or a build integrations tool. PaaS have features like build forms, routing layers, or schedulers that dispatch workloads to VMs. A container solution supports these problems through interoperable, lightweight, and visualized packaging. Containers for application building, deployment, and management provide interoperability. PaaS evolution. The evolution of PaaS is moving towards container-based interoperable PaaS. The first generation was made up to the classified fixed proprietary platforms such as Azure or Heroku. The second generation was built around open source solutions such as Cloud Foundry or OpenShift that allows users to run their own PaaS. Different container models. We use Docker to illustrate some core concepts, but a range of other containers technology exists for different operating systems types. There is still ongoing evolution of OS visualization of these. Service or chill station. Development and architecture are central PaaS concerns, and recently microservice architectures as discussed. And the microservices architectural style is an approach to developing a single application as a suite of small services, each running in its own process and communicating with lightweight mechanisms. Network and data challenges. Containers in distributed systems require advanced network support. Containers provide an abstraction that makes each container a self-contained unit of computation. So the physical machine requires advanced routing features based on network virtualization. Acknowledgement. And this work was supported in a part by the Irish Centre for Cloud Computing and Commerce in IC4, and it has National Technology Centre funded by the Enterprise Ireland and the Irish Industrial Development Authority, by Science Foundation Ireland Grant 13 by RC by 2094 to LERO, the Irish Software Research Centre. Thank you.